So the first thing we'll be doing is turning off the lights. Now this is held in simply by two flathead screws. So we'll just back off both of them. Oh, there's one. Usually they're a little bit longer than that. So as you can see, I have two white wires. Now this house was built in the 50s. If your home was built more recently, you'll find a black, which is your hot wire, and your white, which is your neutral wire. And I'll show you if you're coming across this, because you do need to identify which wire is hot. I'll show you on how you can identify that. So it's held in this case by a flathead screw there. There's another one on the other side. I'm just going to cut it. I apologize for the lighting. I just have one work light, but I think for the most part you get a pretty good idea what to do here. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just using a pair of pliers here, and I'm just taking off just a little bit. You can also use scissors, or you can, if this makes you nervous, you can use cutters specifically for stripping wire. Okay. Now what I need to do is test which one is the hot wire. In other words, that's the black wire. If you take a look at the new receptacle, you need to match black to black and white to white. So how do you find the hot wire? To do that, we'll be using a digital multimeter. Now the setting you want to be on is volts AC. Okay? Now if you don't have one of these, terrific tool to purchase, maybe $20, a number of home repair, and also even for your automobile you can do a number of repairs. So what I'm going to do is turn the power back on, and we'll be applying the red lead from the multimeter. Will touch the first wire, and the black lead will go to ground. That's any good, in this case the metal housing. Okay, so one wire here, one wire here, and if we see 120 volts, that is our hot wire. So only one of these can produce 120 volts. Okay, so before I turn on the power, I just want to cover up this wire, because again, you don't want these to touch. Okay, so here we go. Again, we want to see 120 volts. One wire, the red lead going here, black lead going to ground, and there you go. That's the hot wire, 120. So what I'll do, just so you can see that, what I'll do is I'll mark up this wire with electrical tape so we know this is our hot wire. So with our new receptacle, again, we're just taking the black wire, black to black, and then white to white. Now per the instructions, you can use electrical tape, but I like to use these wire caps. Okay, we'll place this back in here and we'll wrap it up. Just be gentle when you tighten down these screws, because this is porcelain, so it will crack, but now it's nice and tight. We'll come back, turn on the power, and we'll give it a quick test run here. There we go. So we're in good shape. Any questions, comments, please leave it below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.